Hello guys, I will show you how to change the diffuser for the Audi RS3. It's slightly similar like the A3. I did it with my old A3. This time it's a little bit more complicated because the exhaust and yeah, I must say the clips are a little bit too tight and was a little bit harder. I need to pull stronger, but I managed to do it. I would say for me, I like how it looks like. It looks better. I will show you or try to show the steps to do it. And as you can see, it's here already. It looks more aggressive. It looks nicer. It has a little bit complicated, but probably in 2 hours maximum you can manage to do it. And I will try to guide you a little bit. I'm using Maxton design, but should be the same for any other brands. Hey guys, today I will install a new diffuser. This is the stock, and I will install maxton design. I just need some Torx screws, and I will try to not mess up with the sensors and see how it's going. So first, we need to unscrew this. We need a Torx, and also we need to push this outside in order to remove it. It should work in all the 8Y models. Should be the same. So this, and then you can remove this. Just pushing this should be okay. Okay guys, after pushing a lot, I'm moving these clips. It's a little bit hard. You can just pull it from here, starting from this side. It can be a little bit tricky because of this clip, but just pull it, nothing will happen. I use this as to contain a little bit this part of the diffuser, and it's almost gone. In my case, I have the sensor here, so of the trunk, so I will leave it like that, and then I need to disconnect it from here. I will do it so I can install it to the new diffuser. You might need a tape to tape this. I'm sure you can see these lines. Okay, now it's going to take away, so yes. And as you can see, it's done. You need to disconnect this from here. Can you see? So you need to disconnect this while you have like this from automatic opener. So guys, I will try to install this. I could remove this, but should be fine if I will just glue with two-side tape directly in the car. So for now I will use two-sided tapes like here to basically glue the pieces of the car, so I will get close in order to make it. So I will just glue like this. Make the points for each one of the sensors, or you can use the whole siding tape to have more grip. So I will do it and we'll show you. So now I need to put the screws. Maxton sent this. I think we need to screw this here. I will show you. So we need to put this and make working with the hole from the factory. We have 4, so after that we can just remove the plastic. So finally it's done. I will show you. Put the screws here. In this case I use the extension. Here for example I didn't because I couldn't make it stable. As you can see here, there's 1 and the 4. I think there's some versions that has another one for a hole here. I'm sure you can see it, but I cannot do anything. But I think there is another version that has only 2 holes. So now I can just pull the plastic. And doesn't move. So this is how it looks like from the side. Looks better. What do you think? Do you like it or not? I think it looks more aggressive now. It looks better in real. I'm not sure if I should remove this with the heat gun or just leave it, but I prefer maybe remove it, but I will see later.